Hey there, I'm Daniel and this is Daniel's Destinations. Today I'm going to show you a quick way you can hide your money when you're traveling in an unfamiliar place instead of keeping it in your wallet.
So the first thing you're going to want to do is to grab a tube of lip balm that you're finished with. Fortunately, mine's really full, so I'm only going to use this as a demo. Next, you're going to want to grab something thin and flat, like a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you remove all the waxy residue inside, otherwise it's just going to get all over your money and it'll be gross. Next, grab a bill of your choice. You can only fit one at a time, so you probably want to choose wisely. Then you want to do a small fold so you can match the height of the bill to the height of the tube. Next, you need to roll the bill up nice and tight so you can fit it inside the tube. Finally, I suggest you discreetly mark the tube so that way you know the difference, but others don't.
And there you have it, an easy way to turn a tiny little tube into a secret money compartment. I hope you learned something today, and thanks for joining us.